Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and I love my woolly mammoth. I'm always cold, and I have just discovered how amazing wool is. This was the perfect blanket for car camping this past week, especially on the first night where it dropped down significantly enough that my dog, who typically runs hot, his nose got cold. I woke up to him like this. So even my dog knows that this is an amazing blanket. This olive green is such a beautiful yet really subtle color, and you can really appreciate its true color in the sunlight. This blanket is so great for just relaxing outside on the chillier days or months, and I get the best naps curled up in it. The more I use it, I notice the better and more comfy it gets. It's soft, flexible, easy to drape over you, and I just have a feeling that this blanket over the years is going to become like that perfectly worn sweatshirt that is your go-to. I find myself already choosing this blanket over all of my others, and it's perfect for the chilly night by the bonfire. I can't wait to take it on so many more adventures. So if you're looking for a beautiful, lightweight, yet really warm blanket, I highly recommend you get a woolly mammoth. And that's my point of view.